easy crockpot dinner under $12. Grab your long grain rice for 92 cents, your package of chicken thighs for $4.81, a bottle of teriyaki sauce for $2.28, a can of crushed pineapple for $1.76, and your Kinder's The Blend seasoning for $2.08. That was our pound of long grain enriched rice in our crock pot. Now we have our 1.5 pounds chicken thighs with the bone in, and we're just placing that right on top of our rice for this easy dinner under $12. Okay, and you can take the fat off if you want, but I like the fatty pieces. Perfect. Now to season that chicken, we have the blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. Now, if you have your own seasoning at home, you can save yourself a couple bucks and keep this under $10 if you use your own seasoning. But we are gonna season this pretty heavily because I love that seasoning, and we're gonna flip them over so that they get seasoned on both sides. It's okay if that rice kind of is already touching it because it's nice to even season the rice for this. So we're just gonna season the other side as well. Super quick. Perfect. Now we have our teriyaki sauce, and we're gonna use this whole entire jar because we want a lot of flavor. And we're just gonna pour that right on top of our entire thing of rice and our chicken. And this is just gonna add all the flavor to this delicious recipe. Oh, it smells so good. Then we're coming in with our crushed pineapple, and that's gonna go right on top of our chicken. I absolutely love teriyaki with pineapple flavors, so this is gonna be delicious. And we're just gonna make sure that we spread that right on top of our chicken so we can get that nice sweet flavor added. All right, and we do need a little bit more liquid for that rice, and in order to cut the sodium of that teriyaki sauce, we're adding 1 cup of water. That's all you need because we have the pineapple juices, the teriyaki sauce. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. We're gonna put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high so that it's ready for dinner time. Okay, it's been 3 hours on high. We can turn this off, and our teriyaki pineapple chicken and rice is ready. Oh, that looks so delicious. All right, let's find one of those chickens in there. Oh yeah, look at that. The rice is perfectly cooked. Look at all those juices in there.
Smells delicious.
Pineapple. Oh yeah, I'm excited. You could add some green onion to this. You could add whatever you like, but I am happy with what we have. Okay, let's get a little bit of that dark meat. Best part of the chicken. Oh, so tender, it just falls apart. A little bit of pineapple, a little bit of rice, and your $12 dinner is ready. That is so good. You guys are gonna love it.